Hi and welcome to our beginners course for the Granny Cluster Square pattern. Here are our videos to help support you on your journey with crochet. It is a great learning curve. You will learn so many things from this particular pattern. I know I did when I started. You're going to learn how to do the granny cluster with the negative space in between, which are known as chain spaces, and you'll be working into those chain spaces, which makes it even easier because you don't even have to find where it is. It's kind of pointed out for you. This pattern is really simple. It has a method of growing on its own without you having to follow a pattern too closely. Once you understand the rules and the method, you'll be absolutely fine, and we'll take you from there onto all the different sections and support videos via chapters, which will be named and easy for you to find.